Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to review this sample provided by Else Nutrition. Thank you, Else Nutrition, for the sample. The flavor is original. It's 7 ounces. What I love about this cereal is that it doesn't have any gluten, any dairy, it's non-GMO, and it's organic. So here are the nutritional facts: 3 tablespoons, 60 calories, and here it has all the vitamins, minerals, and protein that it has. So all you have to do is mix 3 tablespoonfuls in water or milk and serve it with a spoon. I like to give it to my toddler because it's very clean nutrition, and it has a lot of good vitamins and minerals, and it's organic, and it doesn't have any corn syrup. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.